Oh no. It's just a big box. Hey, whoa! Whoa! It's all grass! Yeah! What the fuck? Dude, the fuck's up with that shit? Yeah. Let's try land on it. Oh my god, alright, officially landed under the map. Whoa. Holy shit. Yeah. Motherfucker, better get back in that shit before it blows up. Hey, yeah, fuck that shit, bro.